Motivational quotes about money. 1. It's not your salary that makes you rich, it's your spending habits. 2. Don't stay in bed unless you can make money in bed. 3. You must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you. 4. Only buy something that you'd be perfectly happy to hold if the market shuts down for 10 years. 5. That man is richest whose pleasures are cheapest. 6. Money can't buy happiness, but it can make you awfully comfortable while you're being miserable. 7. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. 8. You are already a financial trader. You might not think of it in just this way, but if you work for a living, you're trading your time for money. Frankly, it's just about the worst trade you can make. Why? You can always get more money, but you can't get more time. So well that people can't take their eyes off of you. 9. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button below.